Stuart, come allez. Ah. Non, Kevin. Mets les doigts, spetta. Non, mets les doigts, spetta. Quel est blamoc. Poratino la capa. Macalo, parano. Ah, stoppa! Culero, stoppa! Tiens, tous les doués. Bacalo! Stuart l'épicetto. Magna.
Walter, look! These adorable little freaks are headed to Orlando, too.
Yeah, I see that. Hey, Walter Jr.
What's happening?
Tina.
Hi.
Pinky. What do you say we give these fellas a ride?
Yay! New friends!
All aboard the Nelson Express!
You, One-Eye! You're sitting next to me!
Ok, mi me casos. Stuart, ¿por qué estás aquí?
Glad we came along before some weirdos picked you up. Who wants apple slices?
Bottle.
Oh, you too. Growing boy-like creatures need their strength.
Okay. Imacali?
Yeah! Thanks, man!
Alrighty, who needs to stretch their legs?
Yeah! Me!
You guys wait here. We'll be right back.
Okay, Nelsons, let's do this!
Potakino?
Okie dokie, on the road again.